one question and allotted the number by that.
Yes, my lord. In fact, it's happened in my case also, wherein there are three answers. When it's
Mr. Solicitor, we have not specifically in our order included the red flags. If you can just
You have understood,
right.
sir?
I deliberately didn't put it into our order, but you can just see whether there are some cases like that which you can identify. You see, so that then
We have filed
I'd like to
cases.
in every case.
These have been served. Perhaps they are not given copies. The other ones who are intervening or etc.
what we would suggest is what you give us on Thursday. Give to us, and one more thing, what you give us on Thursday, make it comprehensive so that we don't have to wait through your counters and everything. We'll just look at that basically.
Manoj, may I make one small request?
We've now chalked out our roadmap. If we can, using whatever technology, common sense, and our understanding of the law, identify the wrongdoing students. We then don't have to ask 23 lakh students to again appear for the exam. If we have no other go, of course we are there too.
For us to file that one page, kindly allow the implement application. For us to file that one page,
38.
our diary number to be
Which is
recorded.
that matter? Neat matter.
Manoj,
All right. Yes, there are three other matters which we have to take. Sorry.
File noted, so file the page. Our diary number made noted.
All right. Any other fresh matters on NEET which were not on board?
Yes, Lord.
After we rise, you can give the matters numbers to the court master. He will bring them on board.
My lords, kindly allow the implement of.
One more thing, Mr. Solicitor. Has everybody served their petitions on the council basis?
But we have not
All right.
replies, my lords.
All right. Once again, the council appearing for all the petitioners, council appearing for all the petitioners, interveners, shall serve copies. On whom should we say?
Central, MK Maroria.
On Shri MK Maruria, and Mr. Vardhaman Kaushik, council appearing, council instructing the Solicitor General and Mr. Kaushik, RC Kaushik, respectively. The two council appearing on behalf of the two council, Mr. Maroria and Mr. The Union of India and the NTA shall prepare a tabulated statement indicating for each petition, tabulated statement grouping the petitions into distinct categories so as to facilitate disposal. So what you can do is those which are asking for a retest, you can put in one category. Then individual grievances, then we'll see whether those grievances can be entertained, whether we ask you to look into it, what to do. But we'll have one tabulated chart on petitions.
Make it easy.
Manoj, may I just request one indulgence?
That's why we said, therefore you serve a copy on the solicitors.
But they have changed answer also. They have changed answer of one and have given more marks to 13,000 students. That created problem for my ranking is concerned.
But look, this is nothing. Therefore, those petitions we may have to dealing. They are individual petitions. Those are individual petitions where you say you have a medical condition, you should have been given extra time. We'll deal with it separately. It does not deal with the sanctity of the examination. That's individual students' petition.
This order should not be deemed to be as restricting only to the case of leak because between the.
Not at all. In fact, that's why we finally said this.
For the reason, my lords, on the 8th, while the exam was announced for the 5th, my lords, of May, on the 8th of April, overnight, my lords, they brought about a notification that there will be a window open for students who could not register for the exam way back on 16th of March. Now, this window that they opened, my lords, is absolutely difficult to understand.
So, more students registered.
And
25,000 and
that began now.
Manoj, I'm appearing in item to do with request for 1 second of indulgence. Manoj,
look,
there are
more students registering, etc. How can we?
Utmost respect, because the initial advertisement.
We'll hear you on that.
The entire result, the entire comprehensive result should be put on the website. Right now, what's happening is individual results only are put up. So somebody has to go. So we can't.
Mr. Kaushik, the entire result, except for those which you have, we will say that these results shall not give rise to any equities or legal rights. But you must at least now upload the result.
Yes, the entire results.
The result
Comprehensive.
the
Data science can work here.
1 second.
the revised result of 1563 and the rest of the persons